Tesla FSD beta ready this year. October 2, 2022. While a lot of the attention surrounding AI Day 2022 was on Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, the electric vehicle maker also discussed one of its most ambitious endeavors during the event: the full self-driving beta. And as per Musk's estimates, FSD beta should be ready to expand to more territories by the end of the year. The FSD beta fleet has grown significantly. And during AI Day 2022, Tesla revealed that it now has about 160,000 customers in the program. This is an impressive number, especially considering that other autonomous driving companies like industry leader Waymo are estimated to operate less than 1,000 cars today. Elon Musk, for his part, noted during AI Day 2022 that from a technical standpoint, FSD beta should be ready for a worldwide rollout by the end of the year. The CEO noted, however, that for a lot of countries, rolling out such a program would likely require regulatory approval. Such approvals could very well delay FSD beta's release in some countries. It should be noted that Musk specifically mentioned a worldwide rollout of the FSD beta program by the end of 2022. The CEO did not state that the full self-driving suite and all its advanced features such as inner-city driving would be rolling out globally. Musk simply announced that Tesla would be expanding its pool of FSD beta testers to electric vehicle owners across the world by year's end. With that in mind, Tesla owners should probably set their expectations with regards to the performance and capabilities of FSD beta. Inasmuch as the system is impressive in the way that it can navigate through inner-city streets. After all, it still has a lot of areas where it needs to improve. With real-world driving data from across the globe, however, Tesla would likely end up improving FSD beta at a pace much faster than before. Source reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Tesla RT. My take: it's getting close. The end of this year might be a bit ambitious. Tesla is the most important stock. October 2, 2022. Of all the stocks covered by analyst David Barron of the Barron Focused Growth Fund, Tesla has the most potential and is the most important stock. The fund does not intend to sell the manufacturer's shares, as it has a lot of confidence in the company. Institutional investors have been clearing out of stocks. David Barron of Barron Focused Growth Fund says this is a pretty good buying opportunity. Even if there is a slowdown next year, a lot of stocks are pricing in pretty draconian earnings. According to Market Watch, to date, Barron's largest concentrated position is Tesla, accounting for 20.4% of the portfolio. Barron funds acquired a large position at Tesla before it went parabolic and then stayed with it despite skepticism about the company's CEO, Elon Musk. Although the fund has reduced its position slightly after the big stock move in 2020, it still maintains a huge position. We see so much potential. We don't want to sell, says Barron. Of all the companies I cover and those analysts come pitch to me, the company I feel the most confidence in is Tesla. Barron believes Tesla's stock could triple in less than a decade. The manufacturer has created a strong brand without any marketing, and owns a 25% share of the electric car market. People think we are going into a slowdown, but demand for their cars has never been better. He says, Tesla delivered 1 million vehicles last year. Barron expects the manufacturer to deliver 2 million next year. And by the end of the decade, that figure will reach an impressive 20 million a year. An important factor is that Tesla produces high gross margins in the upper 20% range because its cars that sell for around $50,000 cost around $36,000 to make. In addition, the company's battery business continues to grow, and Barron believes it could eventually become as big as the car business. Source reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: I already think that Tesla is the most important stock. Tesla Optimus deliveries in 3 to 5 years. October 2, 2022. There were a lot of things to unpack regarding Tesla's AI Day 2022. And a lot of it concerns the company's humanoid robot, Optimus. A number of key details were shared about Optimus, including its specs and price. And during the event's Q&A session, Elon Musk also hinted at the robot's estimated delivery date. Tesla has a penchant for unveiling products that later end up late, such as the Semi and the Cybertruck. This is why Elon Musk himself seemed to find it a bit humorous when the Tesla AI team was asked when Optimus could start shipping. After pondering the question for a bit, Musk estimated that the humanoid robot's deliveries could start in around 3 to 5 years. That's an aggressive timetable, especially considering that the Tesla bot program is very young. At least publicly. Tesla revealed as much during its presentation, noting that Optimus development platform was only pushed around February 2022. And today, just about 8 months later, Tesla is already busy developing an Optimus prototype with custom actuators. Tesla would definitely have to face a lot of challenges before it can successfully deliver Optimus to consumers. The company would have to refine the design of the robot and optimize it to a degree where it's profitable. Tesla would also have to build a facility that will likely be dedicated to Optimus production. It remains to be seen where Tesla would do this. Though facilities like Giga Texas certainly have the space for a humanoid robot plant. What's particularly interesting about Musk's 3 to 5 year timetable for Optimus deliveries is the fact that such a project has never really been attempted before. Boston Dynamics, one of the world's leaders in robotics, has been developing a bipedal humanoid robot for a long time. But so far, the company only sells non-humanoid robots to the public, such as the four-legged robot DogSpot, which sells for $75 and is used by Musk in SpaceX's Starbase facility. That being said, 3 to 5 years is a long time for a fast-moving company like Tesla. Just 5 years ago, in 2017, Tesla was only able to produce 50,000 vehicles for the whole year. The company produces that many vehicles in a few weeks from Giga Shanghai alone today. With this in mind, and considering the innovations that Tesla could implement in the future, Optimus' 3 to 5 year delivery estimate may just prove accurate. Source reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Tesla RT. My take: this thing both excites and terrifies me. Tesla plans to produce about 495,000 vehicles in Q4 2022. October 2, 2022. Tesla aims to produce around 495,000 vehicles in Q4 2022 alone. Sources say, projected production for the first 3 quarters of 2023 is 1.59 million Model Y and Model 3 vehicles. Tesla continues to actively increase production at its factories. Reuters reports, citing internal plans released on Friday that show the company seeks to significantly increase global production of its best-selling Model Y and Model 3 electric vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2022. Their forecast spans the next 4 quarters and starts with a goal of producing nearly 495,000 Model Is and Model 3s in the fourth quarter of this year. In 2023, Tesla plans to continue developing production growth. With the help of Giga Berlin and Giga Texas, the projected production volume for the first 3 quarters of next year is 1.59 million Model Y and Model 3 vehicles. Model X and Model S production plans were not mentioned in the report. Despite ongoing supply chain risks, a slowing economy and increased competition, Tesla is expected to be able to grow according to its plan to increase production by 50% every year. Thus, the estimated number of vehicles delivered in 2022 is about 1.4 million. According to forecasts based on new information, production could reach more than 2.1 million vehicles in 2023. Source reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: that would put Tesla at their 50% growth target for 2022.